Well, we did it. We are gathered here today to celebrate my fellow class of 2031 and this incredible milestone that we've achieved. It has taken perseverance and a positive mindset, but we have made it. We sit here surrounded by friends, family, and mentors and teachers who have supported us along the way. These are the people that make it possible. As their love and encouragement have played a huge role in who we are today. I wouldn't be standing here if it weren't for the confidence placed in me by teachers both past and present. Ms. Corbel taught me that my voice mattered, and voice and opinions do actually matter. She wasn't afraid to conquer rough conversations and always wanted to know my perspective. I'm ever so grateful for her. While math hasn't always been my strong spot, Ms. Franks made learning the subject not only easier, but fun as well. I know that learning math, science, social studies, and English is important, but this school has taught that good character is what matters most. Our education goes beyond the classroom. One of my favorite memories included our field trip to Barber Motorsports, where we got to see the evolution of transportation. The 4-H Center didn't disappoint, where we got to wade in the stream and go kayaking. There have been so many experiences that we've shared, lessons that we have learned, and close friendships that we have made during our time here. My advice to our rising fifth graders would be to believe in your own ability, embrace opportunities, and learn with no limits. People say that every beginning has an end. I feel that this is not my end to Copper Heights, as the school will forever live in my heart. Congratulations to my fellow classmates.